today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the read receipts in WhatsApp. This is a great way to boost your privacy and reduce the pressure to respond immediately to the messages. So let's dive into it. Read receipts are those little blue ticks you see next to your messages in WhatsApp, and 2 blue ticks means the recipient has read your messages. So let's start the video. Just open up your WhatsApp. Now click on the 3 dots on the right top corner of the page. Here you have to go onto the settings. Here you have to find the privacy option, which is given below the account option. Now tap on it. Scroll down. Here you can see the read receipts option. You simply have to tap on it and it will turn off. One thing to note is turning off read receipts won't affect group chats or play receipts for voice messages. In group chats, everyone will still see when you have read their messages. So, in this way, you can turn off your read receipts in WhatsApp easily. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Follow for more contents.